Hey everyone, it's Krista from Monorail to Mickey. Today we're staying at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort in a royal guest room. Let's check it out. All right, we are in the royal guest room at Port Orleans Riverside. This is a beautiful room. So this is like Tiana's with a lot of different touches from her princess friends. Here on the table is a letter from her. Some of the decor are the princes. You can see Prince Eugene, Prince Naveen, Prince Philip, the prince. And then over here on this side of the mirror, we have Prince Adam, or the Beast, Prince Aladdin, Prince Eric, Prince Charming. This room has 2 beds. Over next to the door, we have a place to hang hats or jackets or anything that you may need. Here between the beds, the nightstand that has just regular wall outlets. There are no USB chargers here. On the floor, we have carpet from Aladdin, our coffee maker, and the TV. Under here, we have our fridge. And then there's a few drawers for storage. The bench from Beauty and the Beast. And then a beautiful portrait of Tiana. See if I can get it without so much reflection. So the big portrait of Tiana, and then a bunch of portraits of her friends over here. The bathroom has a double vanity. Underneath there's some storage space with the hair dryer. But I think my favorite part is the sink. The faucet is shaped like the lamp from Aladdin. On this side we have some hanging space with our ironing board and our iron, our safe, our extra pillow and blanket. And then over here, we have our door with our full-length mirror, our toilet, and our shower. The shower head, and then our refillable toiletries here. One of the coolest things about the royal guest rooms is the headboard. So first, let me show you. There's a button on the side. And when you push this button, the headboard will light up and there are fireworks. It's so pretty. And they both do it. So there's the button here for this side. It's awesome. Along the border in the bathroom, you can see Pascal, Ray, Sebastian, and Scuttle. Then in the main room, you can see Chip, Jack and Gus, the magic lamp, and the fairies from Sleeping Beauty. We found a hidden Mickey in the headboard. Right here. As my husband pointed out, it's kind of like a hidden Minnie because it almost looks like there's a bow. that concludes my tour of the Port Orleans Riverside Royal Guest Room. It's a beautiful room, lots of really neat touches, very princessy. So if you have somebody that loves princesses, this is a great room choice. The only thing is I don't see any USB charging ports. So keep that in mind. You're going to want to bring wall chargers. All right. I'm Krista from Monorail to Mickey, and I'll see you next time.